वीडियोस को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करने का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, एक मरतबा फिर आप लोगों को खुशामदीद कह रहा हूँ। और आप लोग देख सकते हैं मैं कहाँ पर हूँ इस वक्त, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स मार्केट। और ये है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स के यहाँ पर सारे इक्विपमेंट्स पड़े हुए हैं, कैमरास, और ये डलमा मॉल में है आउटलेट। इसका नाम है ग्रैंड स्टोर्स डिजिटल। सो फ्रेंड्स, यू हैव टू काइंडली कम हेयर एंड you can find here lots of electronic gadgets here. So let's start, but the mask is mandatory. तो लैंग्वेज को भी जो है इंग्लिश के साथ मैं करूँगा क्योंकि my friend, my brother is here, Mr. Islam, and mashallah he's from the Egypt mashallah. So we can now we will communicate in the English language and I will show you here. So this one, these are the cameras. Whoa, the Nikon. Wow. So Mr. Islam, I'm coming to you. So viewers, you can see this one is the Canon and Sony. Wow. तो ये साथ साथ आप देख सकते हैं. Wow. So here my best friend, Mr. Islam, is here.
Hello. Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you doing? I'm fine, alhamdulillah.
So very long time, after 1 year, I'm here. And Mr. Islam, could you please tell me?
Yes.
Because I'm working on the YouTube. And
yeah.
Suggest me what is the best camera.
Actually, cameras. It has a different type. We have a different type of cameras, many categories. Actually, all the cameras is good, but. Each person, once they are choosing a camera, it's depend on the purpose. For which purpose they are going to use it. Like there is some people they are preferring photography more. They are going for the big cameras with the big lenses, like full frames. But for example, for YouTubers, I'd like to prefer this model of Sony.
So this one,
which is the best vlogging camera from my opinion.
Okay.
And from also the reviews of the customers who use this camera. It's a fantastic camera, actually. It's a very light camera. And also have articulated screen, so you can do your vlogging. And then you can also use it for photography because its lens, it's made by Zeiss, which is the best company manufacturing lenses. Okay, this is a German company actually. And once we are focusing on the lens it's 24-70. It's an unchangeable lens, but even if you are going to check the aperture of this one, which is giving 1.8 up to 2.8, which it will give you support in the low light, and also the focusing, it will be fast, which is a very, very good camera.
So you recommend this one?
I
Sony.
recommend, absolutely.
So
I recommend this
viewers,
one.
you can see this one is the Sony best vlogging camera.
Yes.
And Sir Islam, what's the price of this one?
This one actually, original price, it's 3,099. Right now we have a good offer.
Okay.
Let me tell you about the offer.
Okay, so I will show my viewers. So viewers, you can see, आपको मैं दिखा रहा हूँ साथ साथ ये तमाम के तमाम यहाँ पर जो है गैजेट्स हैं इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स के। ये आप देख सकते हैं, ये Xeon, ये क्रेन 25, और ये आप देखें ये व्लॉगिंग के लिए है, स्पेशल कैमरास के लिए। और उसके साथ साथ जो है ये आपको दिखाता हूँ मैं, इनके पास तमाम जो हैं गैजेट्स हैं इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स के, कैमरास के। और मुझे तो अच्छा लगा यहाँ पर आकर। ये है ग्रैंड स्टोर्स डिजिटल डलमा मॉल, तो आप यहाँ पर आकर देख सकते हैं। और अभी मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ साथ साथ, ये है DJI Pocket 2। ये पॉकेट साइज़ जो है गिम्बल है और अच्छा रिज़ल्ट है इसका भी। अच्छा जी, ये सोनी सीरीज़ है अल्फ़ा। तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि इसमें से किसको जो है देखा जाए। सोनी का मुझे पसंद आया है ये वाला बेस्ट व्लॉगिंग कैमरा, ये वाला सोनी का। उसके बाद ये है सोनी अल्फ़ा 7 और इसकी प्राइस है 9,000। सो सर इस्लाम, okay sir, okay. So this one you can see Mark 3 Canon also, you can see the mirrorless. So I'm going to decide that which one I have to go, but Mr. Islam said to me Sony is the best choice. So let's see. Okay.
We are gonna give this.
Okay. Okay.
Everything you need inside it.
Okay.
And you are gonna give this
Okay.
memory card, which
Memory
is
card.
128 GB
Whoa.
card from Lexer, and it will support the 4K videos with very good speed. For read speed is 160 MB per second, and
Okay.
for write is 120 MB
Yeah.
per
And
second.
sir, tell me
And
the offer price
regarding the
available here as
price
well? Okay. Okay. So we have one more brother. How are you, brother? What's your good name?
Joel.
Joel. So you can see Mr. Joel is here, my best friend. So second time I came here, and good to see you again. And viewers, you can see, just come here, Grand Stores Digital, and you will see here lots of gadgets. So brother, any message you want to give?
I just want to say hi, hello to your subscriber.
Oh wow! Thank you, bro. So, Mr. Joel, good to see you, bro. Good to see you. So, okay,
It's only right now is 2899.
2899. Okay,
You got already a 200 dirham discount,
okay,
and you are gonna take some free items along with it,
okay.
which is the memory, and also we are gonna add something extra.
Okay, okay. Wow.
To be happy.
So, wow, this one. So, viewers, you can see this one is the offer available, and the package is available. This one, the
And
boy,
already the camera, it's coming also with the vlogging tripod,
Okay.
the handle, along with it from Sony.
Wow.
Yep.
So, okay. So, I like this one. So, Sir Islam, could you please show me a little bit? Yeah, this one, the Sony. Could you please open? So, you can see, viewers, this one is this Sony. And yeah.
It's a very friendly use,
Okay.
and it's a very light camera.
Okay. So, this one is the
And it
LCD.
has, yeah,
So,
articulated
wow.
screen. You can
Okay.
do your vlogging. You
Wow.
can do also your photography.
Wow.
It's what you do to do.
So, this one is the portable.
Yeah, it's a very
Portable,
portable, and
portable.
very handy.
Wow.
And if we are focusing here on the screen, we will see it's from 1.8 up to 2.8. The lens with this camera,
Okay.
and we will see this
Zeiss.
nice logo. It's Zeiss, which
Zeiss.
is a very good quality lens.
In the lens.
Yes.
Oh, wow. So, thank you, Sir Islam. So, viewers, you can see. So, yeah. So, definitely, I will go with the Sony, and I suggest you to all come here in Dalma Mall, Grand Stores Digital. So, Mr. Islam is here for you. He will serve you better, and he will give you the accurate information that which gadget you want to go, what type of purpose you want to go, what type of your work. So I am satisfied with you, Mr. Islam. And any message you want to give? Any message?
Stay safe and keep the distance, the social distance for all of you, and then you will be welcome in Grand Stores
Yeah.
for any inquiry, for any explanation.
Okay.
It will be our pleasure to serve you.
Yeah.
Your service is our pleasure, and it was a very good experience meeting a very nice gentleman.
Oh my God.
Yeah, and
Thank you,
have
Sir
a
Islam.
very good
And
day.
yeah, Mr. Islam is from the Egypt, and recently I had checked 2 times the Expo 2020, but unfortunately there was too much queue, and I'm waiting for the next day off, so I will go again. Expo 2020, I want to visit the Egypt pavilion. I heard there are lots of things there. What do you think? What do you say?
Actually, it's a great country, not because it's my country.
Mashallah, mashallah.
Yeah, and it's a very old country, have a lot of cultures and a very old civilization. Actually, my country, you can see all the, religion living there
Mashallah.
with the peace. And if you will visit Egypt also, you can see the Pharaoh civilization, you can see the Islamic civilization, you can see a Christian civilization, Roman civilization, and also you can see the nature. You will find a
I want to
very good
visit very
places in
soon,
Egypt,
and
inshallah.
Mr. Islam, very thankful to you. So I want to visit the Expo 2020 pavilion of Egypt as well, and I want to visit to Egypt very soon, inshallah. So viewers, kindly send us a feedback. I hope you like this video. Sir
you all
Islam,
the
thank you, brother.
happiness.
Take
Pleasure is
care.
mine.
So viewers, see you in the next video. तो यही कहूँगा आप सबका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
बहुत शुक्रिया.
थैंक यू ब्रदर. वीडियोस को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब लाजमी कीजिएगा और बेल आइकन को भी ज़रूर प्रेस कीजिएगा ताकि आपको नई मालूमात मिलती रहें. शुक्रिया.